You won't believe how easy it is to create this gorgeous glittery eye look, easier than you think. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is PRABJEET, and if you're already part of my little family, welcome back. Starting with my eyebrows, I'm using Benefit Precise Eyebrow Pencil in the shade of 3.75 just to fill in the sparse areas while maintaining a natural and lifted brow shape. Next, priming my eyelids using the MAC Paint Pot in the shade Soft Ochre. It's my go-to for creating a smooth base for eyeshadow. If you don't have a primer, a concealer close to your skin tone also works well. Then I set with a bit of setting powder to lock everything in place. Using the P.Louise eyeshadow palette, I'm blending a light brown transition shade from the outer corner of the eye towards the inner corner on the crease line for a seamless look. Following the same process with dark brown shade to warm the crease line. I clean up the lid with a bit of concealer, not for a cut crease, but just to define the area. Then I apply a golden shimmer shade for that soft glowy effect. Also adding some loose glitter to enhance the density of the golden shade. I use the England Gel eyeliner with an angled brush for a sharp finish. Apply the same kajal at bottom lash line and blended everything for smooth effect. After curling my lashes, I applied the L'Oreal mascara and added a pair of fluttery falsies for extra glam. And there you have it, a glittery eye look that's perfect for the holidays or any special occasion. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. I'll list down all the products in the description box. Go and check it out. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Ta-da!